You know, guys, I'm sitting here trying to think of what's going on with AMC stock. Is it good news? Is it bad news? We've been trading in this range now for quite some time, and we see a lot less volatility than we did before. And, you know, it got me thinking, this is an excellent sign for AMC stock. We're going to discuss why in this video, but, you know, I was trying to wonder whether or not the sentiment dropping, the kind of excitement dropping, the morale dropping a little bit would be a bad thing. But in all honesty, this is showing us that the apes are sticking around, the day traders are leaving, and everything is setting up for what we need to see happen in order to get that short squeeze. So let's discuss this in a little bit more detail. And of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to trading, you haven't traded any stocks yet, or you're looking for a different broker, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account, and a $100 deposit gets you at least 2 free stocks. So you make sure to check that out because they're your stocks. Sell them, keep them, whatever you want to do. Let's talk about this, guys, because I think there's a lot to unpack here, because I've noticed there's a lot of people that are kind of, I don't know, a little bit discouraged with the fact that AMC's been trading sideways for so long. But there's nothing wrong with that. In fact, that is an excellent sign, okay? Not the discouragement, but the fact that it's been trading sideways. Now, we've been talking a lot lately about the AMC stock upcoming earnings report and how we expect it to beat expectations and how everything's been trading nicely and higher over the last summer, right? We've seen blockbuster after blockbuster. We've seen records being broken almost weekly when it comes to movie theater attendance. And this is all good stuff, right? But that's fundamental. When it comes to trading AMC stock, and that's what the AMC stock short squeeze is. When it comes to trading AMC, during the months of January and February, when everything was going on with GameStop and AMC and Sundial and BlackBerry and Naked and Bed Bath & Beyond and all these meme stocks, the whole world was focusing in. Everybody was looking into it. And I believe a lot of people got the misconception that all of these people looking at it were apes. All of these people looking and pouring into AMC were apes. And I've been saying since the start, an ape is a different type of person. It's not just a retail investor who's looking for a pump and dump scheme. It's not just somebody who wants to go out there and double their money. We hold AMC for a reason, and we will not sell that share back no matter what until we are offered life-changing money. And I believe that it takes a different type of mentality to be an ape, to not be swayed by the FUD that's out there, to not be swayed by the temptation of taking profits early, and so on. And this is what we're seeing. This is the refining process. Okay? Now, I know that you were expecting the AMC stock short squeeze to happen a long time ago. I mean, if you would have asked me in February if I thought we would still be here in November, I would have told you probably not, okay? And we're still here. It's clear. It's clear we're still here. We're waiting on the short squeeze, but this is the refining process. If you guys know anything about making gold or pouring silver, to get that purity, you have to refine and refine and refine that metal before you finally get that 99% pure gold or 99% pure silver and so on. But that is exactly what's happening with AMC stock right now. The day traders, we no longer have the volatility in AMC. We might trade a couple percent up and down each day. Excellent. Day traders leave because they feed off the volatility. They need those gains day to day in order to survive. They're gone. The FOMO buyers who weren't real apes to begin with, those that would have sold as soon as AMC hit $80, $90, $100 per share, they're stepping out. We can see that, guys. You can see it in the graph. It rose during June, and at the beginning of June, it rose like very, very high. At the beginning of June, went to $70 per share from $12 per share, and slowly, yes, it's been trading in a wedge, but slowly fading off as those traders who can no longer handle being in AMC stock for this length of time, they're leaving. Now, guys, they would have left anyway as soon as the stock went up any percentage during the squeeze. So who is that leaving? That's leaving you and I. Those of us that are truly committed to squeezing the hedge funds out of every penny. Now, you might be saying, but we need all these other investors. Why? Why? Do we need them to sell early? Absolutely not. Do we need them to come in and cause some sort of a squeeze? Absolutely not. Holding the stock is going to cause the squeeze. Now, here's why it's a good thing, okay? We've got the true apes holding right now. When we are able to get to a level where we're the only ones left, and I don't know if it's going to happen when the wedge is complete, just in the next couple of weeks. I don't know if it's going to happen by 2022 at the beginning of it, or when the timeline is. But here's what happens. When the true apes are left holding AMC, and the hedge funds and the short shares finally go out to cover, the stock price starts to rise. We're not going to give up. I mean, we're not selling our shares back. The stock price rises higher. Now it catches the attention of some day traders out there who say, oh my goodness, why is AMC up 20% today? Why is AMC rising like this? It's a low volume. What's going on here? They start to buy some shares. Boom, they push it up maybe 25, 30% higher now. FOMO starts to kick in. Oh my gosh, these idiots might have been right. These so-called apes may have been right. AMC's trading at $50, $60 per share right now. We could retest those highs. All of a sudden, you break out of that range at $60, and you're right there. You're right there out of that resistance level, and you're getting ready to test some new highs. So more retail traders jump in because the resistance level has been broken. Wow. That buying pressure puts us to an all-time high. $77, $78, $80 per share start to come in. Hedge funds, they're smart. They're logical traders. They say, okay, yeah, we're at an all-time high now. There's no resistance on the chart. We need to go out and cover some of our short shares so that we don't get caught holding this bag and really lose out. They go to cover more shares. This drives the FOMO wild. The apes are holding. Day traders and retail traders are trying to take advantage of the momentum, and all of a sudden it gets blown out of proportion. Everybody's excited again. All the money's pouring into AMC stock, and all you had to do was hold on. And we see the gains that we've been absolutely waiting to see. Guys, I know I may oversimplify the AMC stock short squeeze, but it's not a complicated thing. It's a game of we can outlast them. If they outlast us, then they win. If we outlast them, then we win. And I simply want to know. I mean, I'm here. I'm here to stay. And I simply want to know in the comments below if you're here to stay. If you are, just encourage the rest of us. I understand the excitement might be a little bit down right now, but if you're here, you're committed, let us know down there right now, because we are going absolutely nowhere. And when the day comes, you can say you didn't doubt it, you didn't walk away, and you absolutely profited from the AMC stock short squeeze in a way that you may never be able to accomplish again. So encourage the rest of us down there in the comments below, guys. If that button is still red, make sure to click and subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Make sure to check out the links for Webull and Binance in the description if you want to trade stocks and cryptocurrencies, and ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.